Come to West 115th Street in New York, an upscale student living in the Big Apple for a lovely stay. Choose from gorgeous non-ensuite apartments featuring a full-size bed with clean sheets and plush pillows, the ultimate study corner, and a smart TV to run through your watch list. Electricity, water, gas, heat, and high-speed Wi-Fi are all included in your rent for your convenience. And guess what? Laundry facilities are on-site and housekeeping is weekly, so you can keep the place clean and spotless. If you're ever bored, just head to the fun game room or unwind under the open sky in the backyard for peace of mind. With Columbia University and City College of New York just minutes away, your commute will be as seamless as ever. Also, bus stops like Manhattan Avenue and train rides from Adam C. Powell Boulevard are right around the corner, so your NYC adventures are destined to be effortless. Visit amberstudent.com to join the student community at West 115th Street in New York now.